Dear students, very good morning. So today we'll discuss another problem in isometric projection. The problem is draw the isometric projection of a hexagonal prism of side of base 40 mm and height 60 mm with a right circular cone of base 40 mm diameter and altitude 50 mm resting on its top such that the axes of both the solids are collinear. This is the given problem. So in this problem is given two solids. One is a hexagonal prism and second one is a cone. So hexagonal prism, the database is given. That's the base side is 40 mm and height is 60 mm. And on the top of the hexagonal prism we need to place a circular cone of base 40 mm diameter and height is 50 mm. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let us see how to construct an hexagonal prism. So before constructing hexagonal prism, let us construct a hexagon of base side 40 mm. Let's construct an hexagon of base side 40 mm. I'll go to line. So I'll construct hexagon somewhere here of base side 40 mm. So let's construct this hexagon of base side 40 mm. So I'm constructing base side 40 and I keep 60 and this 40 and 60 into 2. This is 40, 60 into 3, 40, 60 into 4, 40 and 60 into 5. So I constructed an hexagon of base side 40 mm. This is the base side. Let's check. This 40. All sides are 40 mm. So I construct the hexagon. Now let us enclose this hexagon in a square box. Let us enclose this hexagon in a square box. So I am enclosing this hexagon in a square box. Let us draw a horizontal line and draw a vertical line like this. Let's draw a horizontal line. Similarly from this side draw a horizontal line and go to extend and extend to next. So go to extend to next. Let's extend this and similarly let's draw a horizontal line from this side and draw a vertical line like this, 90-degree line. 90-degree line. Now I'll extend this till here, so it will make a square. So I'm enclosing the square in a hexagon. This is hexagon. I'm enclosing the square in a hexagon. Now, for construction purpose, I'll give some naming for this. So let's keep this is, I'll say corner A, this is point B, and this is I'll say point C, and this is I'll say point D, and this one I'll say 1, this I'll say 2, this I'll say 3, this I'll say 4, this one I'll say 5, and this one I'll say 6. This is just for construction purpose. Now I need these measurements. Let's check this measurement. I need this is 80 mm. Okay, from here to here this is I'm getting 20 mm. Okay, from here to here this point is I'm getting 34.64. So I need these database to construct an hexagon prism. Now let us construct a square of ABCD. A square of ABCD. Let's check this. This is also maybe probably. Let's check this. This is 69.28. 69.28. Let us construct an hexagon. Let us construct a square of ABCD. I'll go to line command. I'll go to line command. So pick this is the center. This is the point A. Say corner A. So length is 80 mm. Angle this side is 30 degree. I constructed this AB. Now I want to construct BC. The length is 69.28. 69.28 we already measured, and angle is 150 degree. then length is 80, angle is minus 150, then length is 69.28, angle is minus 30. Okay, I constructed this. Let's make it thin lines. Let's make it thin line. Next, say this is point A, this is point B, this is say point C, this is say point D. I constructed this. Now let's mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's go to arc by center. I go to arc by center. So let's go to arc by center and pick, this is the center, and in between I want to mark point A, point 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is at a distance of 20 mm. Let's keep radius is 20 and construct an arc. You will get 1, and similarly take this is the center, and radius, let's keep radius is 20 mm, and let's construct an arc like this. You will get this. Pick this is the center and keep radius is 34.64. Press center from your keyboard and construct this arc, and similarly let's keep C is the center, radius is obviously it's at 20, and construct an arc. Similarly keep this is the center and radius is obviously it's at 20, and construct an arc like this. Then I want to find point C. Keep the center and radius is 34.64. Press enter from your keyboard and you will get this point. So I got all the points. See, this is let's take, this is point number 1 just for construction purpose. This is point number 2, this is point number 3, this is point number 4, this is point number 5, this is point number 6, just for construction purpose. Now I'll go to line command, choose thicker line, join all the points, join 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1. So I join all the points like this. You can trim these lines just for a construction purpose. I am showing. Let's trim it these lines. I don't want this. Let's delete. Let's delete these points. So now I constructed this square along with the hexagon. Now let's find the center. Let's find the center for this. And how to find the center? Just draw diagonal lines, an horizontal line like this, and go to midpoint, showing midpoint right. From here, let's mark the axis line. So it's given height is 60 mm. Pick the midpoint, showing midpoint symbol. From here, it should be 60 mm. It should be 60 and angle should be vertical. It should be a vertical line. Okay. Now next step is very simple. Just select this, complete sketch, and go to move command. Let's switch on copy and select this midpoint. Let's place it here. You will get hexagon. An hexagon. I am deleting this. This is just for a construction purpose. Now join the respective corners. You will get an hexagon. So I am joining this, use continuous line. I'm joining this corner. Let's join this, join this, let's join this and this. Then next one is I'm joining this and this. So I constructed an hexagon prism. Now delete the hidden edges. Let's trim all hidden edges. I am trimming the hidden edges, not visible. Let's trim it. This, trim this, trim this, trim this, trim this one, not visible, I'm trimming, not visible, not visible, this is not visible, this is not visible, and this is not visible. Just remove all hidden edges like this. Now this is continuous line, let's make it continuous line. Okay, so now in the next step we need to construct a cone. We need to construct a cone of circular cone of diameter 40 mm and cone base diameter is 40 mm and altitude is 50 mm. Let's construct a cone. I'm deleting this. These are all construction line. I don't want these construction lines. Let's trim it. Let's delete this, and this. Now let us construct a cone of diameter 40 mm. So let's construct the cone separately. So length is 40, angle is 30 degree. Length is 40, angle is 150 degree. Length is 40, angle is minus 150. Length is 40, angle is minus 30 degree. So now let's complete this cone. So now I'll join this corner and this corner, midpoint of this and this corner. Let's join like this. Take the midpoint of this and this corner. I'm joining. Now I'll go to arc by center. So pick this is the center. Go to arc by center. Pick this is the center. This is the radius. Let's construct an arc like this. Similarly, this is the center. Midpoint is the radius. Let's construct the arc from midpoint to midpoint. Then similarly construct this is the center. This is the radius. Let's construct an arc. Similarly, this is the midpoint. This is the radius. You construct an arc like this. Okay. Now let's fit the sheet, and altitude is 50 mm 50. The altitude is 50 mm 50. Let's construct this 50 mm. Go to line, pick the midpoint. Height should be 50 mm, angle should be 90 degree. I'll construct an axis line. This is an axis line. Now draw the tangent line. Let's draw the tangent line from apex to this, showing tangent symbol. Let's complete this and remove the hidden edges. Go back to trim. Not visible, not visible, this not visible, this not visible. Next step is very simple. Just select this and go to move command, switch off copy, select this endpoint and place exactly here. Let's place it exactly here and delete the hidden edges. Trim the hidden edges. Not visible, not visible. I trim the hidden edges. Now last step is convert into isometric scale. I'll convert into isometric scale. Just select this and go to scale, scale factor, switch off copy. Scale factor is 0.8164 is the scale factor. Press enter button from your keyboard and click anywhere on the screen. You will get isometric projection of the combined solid. So this completes the isometric projection of the combined solids. So thank you so much for watching my video.